my name is Francesca and I'm here today at the Academy of Fine Art Germany to show you how to tone a paper. So the first question could be, why do we need to tone a paper? Our students learn to draw on a toned paper so that they can later work with lights and shadows with charcoal and white chalk. And this study gives them a good preparation to later work with oil paint. First of all, let's talk about the materials we need. A board, a paper, the tape to fix the paper, and it's very important to use a thicker paper to prevent the paper from becoming wavy when we use the water. And we are using arches for watercolor, which is 340 gram thick. Then we need a pipette, water, ink, that's black Chinese ink, and then a soft brush. Now, one of our teachers is going to help me. So first of all, let's put the ink into the water. Then as you can see, it starts to melt, mix. And we can do this also with the help of the brush. We have now to try this mixture we created on a separate paper to know if it's dark enough. And remember to use quite a lot of water, so be kind of generous with the water. And we can see here it's good enough. So we start now to stroke our brush on the paper. It has to be fast so that the paper dries evenly everywhere. That's very important. We have then to repeat the stroking more than once so that it's uniform everywhere. And then we do this one last time. After the process, you have to keep the paper on the board and let it dry for 1 day. And after 1 day, this is the result you're going to have. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you would like more information, then you can subscribe or you can comment below and give us your like. Thanks for watching. Ciao!